2.
Hi everyone, it's Spider Girl.
Hey dudes and dudettes, it's Leonardo.
Today we're gonna be playing Toilet Trouble.
Toilet Trouble.
Yeah, whoever gets sprayed by the toilet water is gonna lose. Let's open it.
It looks like such a fun game.
You wanna get splashed?
I don't want to get splashed. I want to see you get splashed.
We'll see. Alright, let's put together the game. So this is gonna be the base. It's gonna go on the very bottom. So just pop it in there. Okay, there we go. Alright, now we're gonna put the toilet on top of the base. It's gonna sit right there. We go. Let's hear it. Ew. Okay, we had to put some water in here for the toilet water. Got some water right here, and we're just gonna pour it right in. Oh, that's a lot of water. I think that's enough.
Okay, Spider Girl, how do we play the game?
So what you do is you roll this toilet paper roll over here, and whatever number it lands on, that's the number of times you spin this or flush the toilet. If you get sprayed, then you lose. So usually you play until there's only one player left, but since there's 2 of us, I think we should do whoever gets sprayed 3 times will lose, and the winner will win a surprise toy.
Do we know what the surprise toy is yet or not?
It's a surprise, I can't tell you.
Oh, okay.
Okay, who wants to go first?
I'll let you go first.
Oh, great. That's so nice of you. Okay, let's spin it. What did it land on?
What number?
That's number 3.
Number 3.
I have to flush it 3 times. Okay. 1, 2.
3. Oh.
I'm safe this round.
My turn. What number did I get? I got number 2. You ready? 1, 2. Ooh, I'm safe.
You're lucky. Okay, my turn. Let's spin it. Number 1. Only 1 flush.
Maybe it's the one that gets you wet.
I hope not.
Oh,
Safe again.
okay.
Good luck, Leonardo.
Uh-oh. 3. No, so many flushes. 1, 2, 3. Yes.
Oh man, I think we're getting close.
Nothing yet. Your turn. What number is that?
That says 3. Oh no, scared.
1. No. All in your face.
Oh no, that's so gross.
Nasty.
Oh man, that's 1 flush for me.
2 more flushes for you and you lose.
Okay, your turn.
Three. Ready? 1, 2, 3. I'm safe. Safe.
Lucky you. My turn. What does that say? 3 again?
Ha 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 ha.
Okay.
Flush it 3 times.
1, 2. Yes. Okay.
Okay.
Spin it.
Spin the toilet paper. What number? 2. Okay. 1. Oh! Oh! Right in the eye.
Ha ha.
Okay, it's 1 to 1.
We're tied.
Your turn.
Okay, let's see what number I spin.
Oh, my face is so wet.
Number 2. Okay. Ready? 1,
Hey, you have to put your head closer.
2.
Next time you need to put your head closer to the toilet. I got 1. Ready, flush? 1.
You got sprayed!
Already! So nasty.
That's 2 points for you.
So wet.
Haha. How does that toilet water feel?
It's so nasty.
Okay. My turn. What does that say? Number 1. I don't think this will be it. Let's see. 1. Yes.
Okay.
Let's see what you got.
Ooh, that's a close one, but it's number 2. See, you have to put your face this close.
Okay.
1. Uh-oh. Here we go, number 2.
Ah! You did it again!
Already?
Leonardo, it keeps going in your eye.
I know, my eyes.
That's so gross.
My face is nasty. How many is that?
That's 3 already. You lost.
Oh, I guess you get the surprise toy.
Yeah, where is it? Where is it?
Here it is. Let me get it for you. It's the Double Bubble Gumball machine.
Oh, whoa. Can I see?
It's all yours since you won.
Whoa. It's a gumball bank and it even comes with some gumballs. Okay, I'm gonna save the gumball machine for another day. I can't wait to open it and eat the gumballs. Leonardo, good game.
Good game.
You wanna play again?
No, I'm tired of losing. I got wet 3 times.
And all in your eye. Toilet water in your eye. That's so gross.
All in my eye. So gross, so nasty.
Okay. Kids, if you want more surprise toys, please subscribe.
Thanks for watching.
Bye.
Bye.